Hey, how's it going, everybody? This video is on how to replace the starter solenoid on your Cub Cadet riding mower. This one's an XT2 Enduro series. Here's a look at the new starter solenoid part. To access this, you're going to have to remove the battery. So disconnect the battery and remove it. There's a look at it. Removing one of the battery holders for easier access so I can get my hand down in there. Here's a look at the existing one. That clip in the back is part of it as well. Same with the screw, that blue screw on the left. 11mm wrench. 11mm socket, I should say. I'm just connecting the nuts there. And then I'm pulling the terminals off, the wires off the terminals. There's 2 wire clips on the bottom of it. They're a little tough to access, but just kind of work them free, work them loose. I'm going to go ahead and loosen that bolt right there. It's 8mm. Now we can just kind of pull the thing out. So I had to rotate it just a little bit to get that clip out of there. But there's the old one. Here's a side-by-side look of the old one and the new one. Now we're putting the new one back in. First thing to do is just kind of hook that clip in through the back. Just kind of work that clip in there, and then that way the screw hole will line up if you get that clip in first. And you can hold it with one hand in place down through the battery hole there while you take your other hand and thread the screw back into the new solenoid. You can see it right there. Got the clip pushed through. Now the screws back in, and just tighten everything back down. Same way we took it out. Got the wires and nuts back on there, and then just kind of work the clips back on there as well. There it is. Thank you for watching, everybody.